In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use breadcrumbs in Notion. If you're brand new to Notion or just looking to tidy up your workspace, breadcrumbs are a simple upgrade that make navigating your pages much faster and more intuitive. Think of breadcrumbs as a small, interactive map that shows exactly where you are inside your workspace. When your pages are nested, like a page inside a section, inside a wiki, breadcrumbs show that full path, so you always know how things connect. By default, Notion already helps you with an automatic breadcrumb trail in the top bar of nested pages. You'll see it up there without doing anything. But here's where it gets really useful. You can also place an interactive breadcrumb trail anywhere inside the body of a page. That means you don't have to scroll all the way back to the top just to jump to a parent page. It's perfect for long documents, team wikis, or deep dashboards where you want quick navigation exactly where you're working. Adding it is quick. Click into the page where you want the trail to appear, type a /, then type the word breadcrumb and press enter. That's it. Notion will generate a clickable trail based on your current page's location. Each segment in that trail is live, so you can click any part to hop right to that level, whether that's a broader hub page or the immediate parent. Because it's automatically generated, you don't need to manage it manually. As you reorganize your workspace or move the page to a new folder, the breadcrumb trail updates to reflect the new hierarchy. A few context tips as you use it. If your page isn't nested, the breadcrumb will be short, which is normal. It only shows what exists in your structure. You can place the breadcrumb block near a page title, above a key section, or right before a long table. The idea is to keep navigation handy wherever readers might need it most. It also helps team members who land mid-page understand where they are without losing focus. To recap the flow, you have the automatic trail at the top of every nested page, and you can add your own in the page body by typing /breadcrumb and pressing enter. From there, simply click any part of the trail to move around your workspace quickly and confidently. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments. Whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.